Where's your bird? Where's your bird? Good kitty. Gross. Finish him. No, he's playing with it. He's throwing it up in the air and catching it.
All of a sudden in her eyes it would become animated and she'd like run after it and throw it up in the air and try to catch it with her mouth. Making a video of them?
Yes. It's extremely funny. You guys should really come in here and see this.
It would be funny if it was a stuffed mouse versus a dead bird.
I don't understand why we buy him food and toys when he can get both on his own.
Because he usually doesn't actually catch anything. Bad kitty.
No, good kitty.
Bad kitty.
Making a mess in here.
Move it. Oh God, Gato. I can't watch that.
Been doing that for the last 5 minutes.
You have all those feathers.
I know. Where's your bird? Bring it to me. Bring me the bird. Kitty. Oh my God.